This afternoon, President Biden is expected to announce a six-point proposal to try to halt the spread of the coronavirus in the U.S. It will include calls for wider testing and expanded vaccinations. Reportedly, Biden also plans to require all federal workers and contractors who do business with the federal government to be vaccinated as well. President Biden plans to withdraw his nominee to head up the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. David Chipman is a former ATF agent and an outspoken gun control advocate.
It's 8:31. This is CPR News. I'm Mike Lamp.
It's not going to mention why
Coloradans are nearly 6 times more likely to die and 4 times more likely to be hospitalized with COVID than their vaccinated neighbors. Here's CPR's John Daly.
Now residents can access that information along with details about so-called breakthrough cases thanks to a new vaccine breakthrough dashboard on the state's website. State epidemiologist Dr. Rachel Herlihy says her biggest concern of the moment is younger children who have yet to have a chance to get the vaccine.
We are seeing right now the highest rates of transmission are occurring among school-aged children.
She says parents should understand the risk to kids is both for exposure to the virus at school and also outside of school settings. I'm John Daly, CPR News.
A critical care doctor in northern Colorado says they're treating as many patients now as during the first surge of COVID cases in the spring of last year. But unlike then, they're having some better success taking people off of ventilators. Dr. Diana Breyer with UC Health says they're trying other options.
Even non-invasive ventilation, which is a mask that fits tightly around the face and that helps to ventilate patients without actually having a tube put into their throat and attaching them to a machine.
Breyer says many of the patients now in the hospital are younger and unvaccinated. A new state law says people arrested in Colorado must be able to see a judge within 48 hours of being arrested, even on a weekend or holiday. CPR's Megan Verlee reports.
Many larger jurisdictions already held weekend hearings, but this law expands the practice statewide. It was opposed by many rural district attorneys who warned it will result in unpaid overtime for their staff. To make things easier, the state